Making a contact print is step by step. So first, what is contact print? A contact print is the same size as the negative. A contact sheet of all negative on a roll make it easy for you to examine and compare different frames so you can choose one. Number 1 is position the enlarger. Close the slot where the negative carrier is inserted in the enlarger head so the light will shine only the baseboard and is not coming out the slot. Set 2. Number 2. Set the lens aperture and the enlarger timer. As a tire exposure, set the enlarger lens aperture to f11 and the timer to 3 seconds. Do a test strip using 3 seconds. Third step is identify the emulsion side of the negative paper. The emulsion side of the negative must face the emulsion side of the paper. Film tends to recur towards its emulsion side, which is duller than the back side. The emulsion side of the paper is shinier and glossy papers, smoother than the back of side. Step 4. Insert the negative and one sheet of the paper in printing frame. The paper goes on the bottom, emulsion side up. The negative go above the paper, emulsion side down. The glass up top of the frame sandwich the negative and paper together tightly. If you don't have printing frame, you can simply put the paper on the enlarger baseboard, the negative on the top of it, and a plain sheet of glass over. Step 5. Expose and process the print. With the printing frame in the place under the enlarger head, push the timer button to turn the enlarger lights on and expose the print. Process the paper. After fixing, evaluate the last step, 6th step, evaluate the print. Some of the frames will be lighter or other darker depending on the exposure it's received in the camera. The judge print exposure overall. Examine the film edge in the print. They should be black but with the edge number legible, and with 30 mm film, a very slight difference between the edge and the procedure for photo enlarging. Once you have an original positive or an interpositive by either methods, you are ready to make enlarger negative. Using an enlarger, the positive image can be projected onto any size or type negative material. Step in photo enlarging. Step 1. Step 2. Adjust the masking guides. Step 3. Switch on the safe light. And Step 4. Switch the enlarger. Step 5. Adjust the focusing. Step 6. Switch off the enlarger lights. And then Step 7. Making test strips. Step 8. Process the strip in the chemical solution. Step 9. Make a full print. Step 10. Fixing time. Step 11. Wash the print. And Step 12. Let it dry.